You've learned the skill. A client just said yes. So now what? How do you confidently onboard them like a professional and not panic like a hot mess? This is where most freelancers, VAs, BDM freeze. We're not doing that over here. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through my exact 5-step onboarding process that works every time. By the end of this video, you will know how to onboard your next client with clarity and, most importantly, like a professional, even if it's going to be your first client ever. But before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Comment below saying, "Hi neighbor, I am watching you from," then the country you're watching me from. I want to know where my digital neighbors are watching me from. Finally, subscribe to this channel if you've not yet. Thank you so much. Now, the first step is the discovery call. This is not a sales speech, right? It's a two-way street. You have to ask the client pre-qualifying questions. What's their main struggle? What outcome are they hoping for? Ask for budget early. That will help you tailor, personalize the proposal you're going to send to them. When you ask these questions, let them talk. But you have to lead the conversation. Confirm their preferred communication method. Some clients, especially personal brands, they prefer WhatsApp. Record the conversation if you have to, or you take notes. Here, you want to ask as many questions as possible so that you know if this is somebody I want to work with. Okay, a discovery call is not just about the client, it's about you as well. It's a two-way street, right? Why am I saying this? I had a discovery call with a client once, a few months ago, and in that call, I forgot to ask the time commitment for the task, because I'm not looking for a full-time job. I'm doing a lot of things. I have clients I'm working with. I have my own business to run, right? So that was something I missed, because in my head, I just assumed that, of course, this person has seen what I am doing. The person will not ask me to work full-time. That was an assumption, and you really do not want to make assumptions, right? You need clarity for everything. So after our discovery call, I sent the proposal for them to choose a package. They choose a package, and then the next thing I'm hearing is, oh, because in the package or in the proposal is included that I am not going to work full time. These are the hours I'm available for, I'm going to work for, right? So when they saw that, they were like, oh no, that we need full time. So we need you to work full time. I'm like, no, full time, no, it's not me. So you want to get all the clarity you need by asking about the business, about the client's expectation, so that you decide if this is someone I want to work with. So that's for the discovery call. Next is the onboarding email and proposal. I'm just going to box both of them together.
Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video.
So in the onboarding email, basically you want to add your proposal. You want to include video tutorials, especially for SMM clients, showing them how to grant you access to their social media accounts, their emails, their calendar, if it's an administrative client. I teach all of this in the VA simulation program on how clients can grant you access to these things. So if you've not signed up for VASP yet, this is your moment. The link to sign up for the next wave is in the description, and it will be the last wave for the year. You don't want to miss this one again. So in the video, you will include what you need from them, a step-by-step process on how they can grant you access to their account, a Google Drive folder for content upload. You attach your proposal here as well. Your proposal should include the scope of work, deliverables, timeline, outline for communication boundaries, pricing, and payment structure. Talking about the payment structure, you should always receive 50% upfront. Do not work for a client that will tell you, oh, just work at the end of the month or at a certain time, I'm going to pay you in full. No, they have to invest. They have to make some form of commitment. So always get 50% upfront. You also need to specify the currency if you're working internationally. I always tell my students, charge in dollars, right? For instance, I'm in Nigeria, right? And if I charge a client in dollars and the client is like, oh, why is it in dollars? You're in Nigeria. I do not argue. Most of the time, I don't even put the dollar, oh, $50. No, I don't. I just convert it. And what's that in Naira? How much is dollar now, by the way? I think dollar is 1.5. So let's say $50. Let's say $50. Let's say $50. This is what you should always do. Let's say $50 times 1.5. I'm just going to, I think dollar is 153 something, but I'm just going to use 1.5. That's 75,000. So if you are charging a client $50, or let's say your service is $50, all you need to do is to convert it to 75,000. You can do this with your local currency. And if a client tells you that your price is too high, don't immediately tell them, okay, I'll give you discounts, or okay, let me drop it. Simply adjust the scope of work. This is why I teach my students to create packages. I simply adjust the scope of work to fit into your budget. Shikina, no argument. So if you want more, you have to pay more. So that's it. The next step is the contract. Client has chosen their preferred package. What you want to do now is to get it in writing. You should always get it in writing. Always. You can use any e-sign platform. If you just go to Google, and they are everywhere. There are so many templates on Google that you can use. You can use Google Doc. You can design something on Canva. I use Canva. So your contract should include terms of service, payment method, timeline, revision policy, depending on the tasks you're doing for the client. Only move forward after you've received the signed document and your first payment. Remember, 50% and your first 50% payment. Now, if you want a whole copy and paste of this whole onboarding system done for you, templates that you can use in your own business, questionnaires, contracts, templates, and more that you can use in your own business, the link is in the description. So go get it. I'll leave the link in the pinned comments and in the description. Now, the next step is the branding call, especially if you are working for an SMM client, that's social media management client or social media marketing client. The branding core is super important because this is where you clarify the tone, the voice of the brand, you define the ideal audience and message, you understand what content aligns with their brand values. The better you understand their brand, the more confidently you can execute. For general VAs or admin VAs, this is where you understand their schedule. This is where you get to understand your client's schedule. Don't understand it before they pay you, right? Because you invest so much time in the onboarding process, in the discovery call, getting to know the clients. At the end of the day, they tell you your price is too high, or they ghost you. So this is where you get to understand their schedule once they have signed the contract. This is a bonus step: weekly reports and monthly strategy calls. So basically the purpose of the monthly strategy call is for check-ins, it's for realignment, right? It's for setting new goals for a particular month. It's for review, basically, to know what we're doing right and what we're not doing right, what we need to stop doing, what we need to start doing, what we need to continue to do. So this is the essence of the monthly strategy call. It also shows the client that you are invested in their business. You're not just a tax taker and then they pay you. No, you bring value. This is how we get referrals, because once you provide value for someone, there's every tendency of them pointing their friends and families toward your direction. So this is my step-by-step onboarding process. Now, if you need the done for you, the templates that contains everything, make sure to use the link in the description and in the pinned comments to get it. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to give it a like so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe, I hope you make the decision to subscribe to the channel and binge my video. If you love this video, you're definitely going to love this one, where I showed you how you can manage projects using Trello. And also check out this playlist for more valued content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in any of these videos. Bye, neighbor.